How to lose weight effectively on the carnivore diet. The carnivore diet, which focuses exclusively on animal-based foods like meat, fish, eggs, and some dairy, has gained popularity for its potential health benefits and effectiveness in promoting weight loss. While this extreme low-carb dieting is controversial, many followers have reported significant weight loss and improved overall health. If you're considering the carnivore diet for weight loss, it's essential to understand its principles and adopt the right strategies to maximize results. Understanding the carnivore diet. The carnivore diet eliminates all plant-based foods and focuses solely on consuming animal products. Common foods in the diet include 1. Meat, beef, pork, lamb, and poultry. 2. Fish and seafood, salmon, sardines, and shellfish. 3. Eggs, whole eggs. 4. Animal fats, butter, ghee, and lard. 5. Dairy, optional, cheese, cream, and yogurt, if tolerated. By cutting out carbohydrates entirely, the diet puts your body in a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose. This metabolic shift and the satiating effects of protein and fat contribute to its weight loss potential. How the carnivore diet promotes weight loss. The carnivore diet facilitates weight loss through several mechanisms. 1. Calorie reduction. The satiating effects of high-protein and high-fat foods naturally reduce hunger, leading to fewer calories consumed. 2. Ketosis. With no carbs in the diet, your body burns stored fat for energy, accelerating fat loss. 3. Stable blood sugar levels. Eliminating carbs prevents insulin spikes and crashes, reducing hunger and cravings. 4. Simplicity. The restrictive diet eliminates food variety, reducing the temptation to overeat. Tips for losing weight effectively on the carnivore diet. To maximize weight loss on the carnivore diet, it's essential to approach it mindfully. Here are some tips. 1. Start with a transition phase. Jumping directly into a strict carnivore diet can be overwhelming. Begin by gradually reducing your carbohydrate intake and transitioning to a low-carb or ketogenic diet before fully committing to the carnivore approach. This helps your body adapt to burning fat for energy and minimizes potential side effects like fatigue and the keto flu. 2. Focus on high-quality proteins. The quality of your food matters. Opt for nutrient-dense, high-quality proteins like grass-fed beef, pasture-raised chicken, and wild-caught fish. These options are more prosperous in essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B12, and iron, which support overall health and energy levels. 3. Don't overeat fats. While fats are essential to the carnivore diet, consuming excessive amounts can hinder weight loss. Focus on a balanced ratio of protein and fat. Prioritize leaner cuts of meat if you're not seeing weight loss. Include natural fats like butter or tallow in moderation to ensure satiety without overloading calories. 4. Listen to your hunger signals. One of the benefits of the carnivore diet is that it encourages natural hunger regulation. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. Avoid mindless snacking or eating out of habit. 5. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is crucial for weight loss and overall health. Without carbohydrates, your body stores less water, so drinking plenty of fluids is essential to prevent dehydration. Consider adding sodium, potassium, and magnesium electrolytes to maintain balance and avoid muscle cramps or fatigue. 6. Incorporate intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, pairs well with the carnivore diet and can enhance weight loss. Popular methods include the 16-to-8 approach, fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. Combining it with the carnivore diet helps you naturally reduce calorie intake and improve fat-burning efficiency. 7. Monitor your portion sizes. Although the carnivore diet doesn't require calorie counting, consuming too much food, even on a low-carb plan, can stall weight loss. Pay attention to portion sizes, especially with calorie-dense foods like cheese and fatty cuts of meat. 8. Avoid dairy. Stalled dairy products like cheese and cream can be calorie-dense and easy to overconsume. If you notice a plateau in your weight loss, consider reducing or eliminating dairy. 9. Be patient with plateaus. Weight loss is not always linear. It's normal to experience fluctuations or plateaus as your body adjusts to the carnivore diet. Stay consistent and give your body time to adapt before making drastic changes. 10. Exercise regularly. While the carnivore diet can promote weight loss, regular physical activity enhances results. Incorporate a mix of strength training, cardio, and flexibility exercises to burn calories, build muscle, and improve overall fitness. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Challenge 1. Nutritional deficiencies. Since the diet excludes fruits, vegetables, and grains, it can lack particular nutrients like vitamin C, magnesium, and fiber. Consider: 1. Organ meats like liver are added for nutrient density. Supplementing with essential vitamins and minerals as needed. Challenge 2. Digestive issues. Some people experience constipation or diarrhea due to the lack of fiber. To mitigate this, stay hydrated and consume enough fat for lubrication. Gradually increase your fat intake to avoid overwhelming your digestive system. Challenge 3. Social limitations. The diet's restrictive nature can make dining out or attending social events challenging. Plan by eating before outings or choosing simple, meat-based dishes when dining out. Benefits of the carnivore diet for weight loss. 1. Simplicity. With fewer food choices, meal planning becomes more manageable and reduces decision fatigue. 2. Craving reduction. Eliminating sugars and carbs helps curb cravings and promotes better appetite control. 3. Improved energy levels. Many followers report sustained energy levels due to stable blood sugar. 4. Rapid initial weight loss. The combination of water weight loss and fat burning often results in noticeable changes within the first week. Final thoughts. The carnivore diet can be an effective way to lose weight for those committed to its restrictive nature. You can maximize the diet's weight loss potential by focusing on high-quality animal products, staying mindful of portion sizes, and incorporating strategies like intermittent fasting. However, the carnivore diet may not suit everyone, especially those with pre-existing health conditions or dietary restrictions. Before starting this or any restrictive diet, please consult a healthcare professional to ensure it meets your health needs. Ultimately, the key to successful weight loss on the carnivore or any diet is consistency, mindfulness, and a willingness to adapt to your body's needs. Loudspeaker. Let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up like this video and share it with someone looking to like it.